Hey everybody, we had AUXITO reach out to us about their portable tire inflator. They wanted us to give it a try and see what we thought about it. Just received it today. We're going to open it up. I've got the plastic wrapper off the package. Let's see what we got. You get your safety tips card that's telling you about internal temperatures and what happens if it gets too hot. You've got your user's manual. So this has got your power cord and a bag for the unit. Some connections. And your inflator tube. Here is the inflator unit. Box is now empty. Everything is packaged very nicely. Here is the inflator unit. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it on, see how it's charged. We're going to go ahead and give it a full charge before we start playing with it, and then we'll get back to you.
Hello, Time for Dirt here. We have a little product review for you. We recently were reached out to by AUXITO and asked to test their inflator. They sent us one, and we're going to give it a little try on our electric bikes, get the star on the show again, and we'll put the hose on and see how it works. Okay, start off with the control buttons here. Power buttons in the middle, plus or minus to add or subtract the pressure. This is for the light that's on the front here. And then this is for some preset modes that it has. You take the little plastic key off. Got some presets of 36, 45, 32, 9, 30, 36. And then you could run it up and down however you need to according to what your tires say. So I got the hose hooked up to the tire on the front wheel of the bike here. It's showing the current inflation on it right now is only 16. The tire says we're supposed to be at 30, so let's run through the modes real quick, see if there's a 30 setting. There's a 30 setting. So then we just push the power button. Okay, we're up to 30. It took, I don't know, 20-25 seconds. From 16 to 30, it stops by itself, and then we just undo it, and we would move on to the next wheel. Okay, we're hooked it up to the back tire now. This one's at 18. Again, we'll set to 30 psi. Push the power button. Very quick. Okay, we're on the next bike on the front wheel again. Down to 18. Gonna put it up to 30. This one's down to 14. And again, we're going to pump it up to 30. Okay, so we've used it in the shade. You can see the numbers and everything great in the shade. So let's take it in the sun and see what it looks like. As you can see, you can still kind of see them. They're fairly bright. Not a bad display. The buttons are a little hard to read. You kind of got to memorize which one's which, but they do work. They work great, and we're still at 80%. We've done 4 tires. It says it'll do car tires too. We don't have any car tires that are flat, so we don't need to do that, but it looks like it should do just fine. It's not getting warm. It seems to work really good. We'd like to thank AUXITO for this opportunity to review their product. We really like it, and we'll travel with it, and we look forward to doing any future business with them. If anybody's interested in purchasing this pump, it seems like it's a decent pump. There will be an affiliate link in the description that will get you a small discount on it.